So what's happening here?
So this bike, this is an electric bike, Flash, Hero Electric Flash, and the issue what it had was like brake was not working, rear brake. So I had to open it completely to see what's went wrong. So if you can see here, it is like it goes in the tire, and it should press whenever you press the brake. It should press inside, and when you press it, this should turn, and this thing should turn. And due to water blockage, due to a lot of water went inside, it is not turning at all now. It is jammed completely. So this thing doesn't move. So it's just that.
Not even little bit?
No, it's not moving. It's corroded. It looks like it's corroded.
Okay.
So this is stop squeaks, drive out moisture, loosen rust parts. So this should help. Like this should help in removing, like loosening it. So it should move. It's completely stuck. It's not moving at all. It is called brake pads. It remains like this. So whenever we press this thing turns and this expands, and it touches the sides of the tire, and it tries to stop the tire.
Okay.
So now because this is not moving, so this brake is not expanding and we are not getting the brakes. So this was not coming out. I had to hammer it, and then it came out. You can see this is rusted. Even I used this lubricant, but it was still not coming out. It was very difficult. It is completely rusted. I mean, it was rusted in the middle. You can see here and here, and so it was completely attached to it. So see, I've lubricated it, and you see how freely it is going in. This is how it should move. So it is now fixed. I'll put it back in the tire. Once it is done like this, press it like this. So this brake will do like this. Like this. So once this is fixed, it will go like this and this.